अस्सलाम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सबसे पहले तो मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियोस होंगी वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन की जरूरत में पहुंच जाएंगी। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है, वही है क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड इम्पैक्ट ऑन इकोसिस्टम। ठीक है, so let's start our question. Climate change is one of the most pressing environment challenges of our time, and its effects are being felt across every corner of the globe. As globe temperature rise due to increased concentration of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, ecosystem complex communities of plants, animals, and microorganisms are undergoing rapid and often irreversible changes. These changes can not only affect biodiversity due to also the vital services ecosystem provide to humanity, such as clean water, food, and air. One of the most immediate and visible impact of climate change on ecosystem is the shifting of habitats. Many species are moving toward the poles or to higher altitudes in search of cooler temperatures. For example, alpine plants and mountain dwelling animals like the snow leopard and being pushed further upward, often with nowhere else to go. In marine environment, fish population are migrate to cooler water, disrupting traditional fishing industries and predator-prey relationship. Climate change is also altering the timing of biological events are phenomena known as phenological shift. Species that rely on seasonal cues such as temperature or daylight length to breed, migrate or bloom are now doing to earlier or later than in the past. For instance, many plants are flowering earlier in the spring, but pollinators like bees may not just their life cycle at the same rate, leading to mismatches that can threaten both species. These disruptions weaken the intricate balance of ecosystem can reduce reproductive success or several survival rates. Another major consequence is the increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Drought, flood, wildfire, and hurricanes are becoming more common and severe. These events destroy habitats, kill wildlife, and degrade ecosystem. Forests, for example, are increasing. Uh, are increasingly vulnerable to wildlife fueled by hotter, drier conditions. Coral reefs are already stressed by pollination and overfishing and experiencing widespread bleaching due to ocean warming and acidification, which can lead to large-scale die-off of marine life. Rising temperature and changing precipitation patterns also make ecosystem more susceptible and invasive species and diseases. Warmer climate allows pests and pathogens to expand into new areas, threatening native species that have no natural defenses in freshwater ecosystem. For instance, rising water temperature can increase the spread of harmful algae blooms, which deplete oxygen and kill fish. This cascading effect can destabilize entire food webs and reduce the resilience of ecosystem to other stressors. The loss of biodiversity due to climate change is a critical concern. Every species plays a role in its ecosystem, whether as a pollinator, predator, decomposer, or food source. When even one species disappears, it can trigger a domino effect leading to further extinctions and a breakdown of ecological function. Tropical rainforest, which host more than half of Earth's biodiversity and under particular threat from both warming temperature and deforestation, further accelerating species loss. In summary, climate change is not only a threat to individual species but to the health and stability of ecosystem worldwide. In disrupt nature pattern, introduce new stressor and reduce biodiversity, all of which compromises the species ecosystem provide to human and the planet। तो अगर यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन होता है कंप्लीट। अब आपने क्या करना है, मुझे देनी है इजाजत लेने से पहले मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियो दूंगी वहाँ के बस नोटिफिकेशन से मैं बने। तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाजत दें। स्टे लेजेंडरी, बाय बाय।